Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by unlocking the iPhone and confirming you have the image ready. This saves time. Open Photos and find the picture you want. Once located, tap the image to preview it and use the share icon if you plan to set it directly from Photos. Make sure the photo is full resolution so it won't blur. If not, pick a different shot. Also confirm iCloud Photos is synced if you took the picture on another device, because that ensures immediate availability. Now go to Settings, then Wallpaper, and tap Choose a new wallpaper to continue. You will see Apple Stills and dynamic options plus your photos. Select your image. Once selected, pinch and drag to position the crop. You can move it left or right and zoom in. Make sure to toggle perspective on or off depending on whether you want parallax movement. That affects battery slightly. Then tap Set and decide if you want it on lock screen, home screen, or both. Finish by tapping Set, and then choose lock screen, home screen, or both to apply the change. You should see an immediate preview. If it doesn't apply, restart your iPhone and repeat the process. Often that clears temporary glitches. Make sure restrictions aren't blocking changes and that low power mode isn't limiting visual effects. If problems persist, update iOS and try again. Once updated, retry the same steps and the wallpaper should set correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.